Hello. So we are working on combinatorial games. These are the games which have no chance element and no hidden information. Like in Ludo, we have a chance element. Like it depends on the dice. So we do not have a full control over the games. But in chess, we have a full control and we can actually strategize and win the game. So we have a simple game over here. I'll just explain the rules. And what we do is we try to decode these games using mathematics and win these games. These games can also be played by a 5-year-old, but can be won by a person who is using math to decode these games. So it's a simple game which is called a NIM game. What you need to do, we have heaps of tokens and you need to remove tokens from the heap, and whoever takes the last token wins the game. So I can show you the strategy. Like if I start the game, I take 2 tokens, it's your turn, and now whatever you do on one of the heaps, I'll do the same on the other heap. So if you take 1 token from here, I'll take one from here. If you take 2 tokens from here, I'll take 2 tokens from here, and that's how I win the game. If so, it's a first player win. So first player will make them equal and then win. If the heap sizes are already equal, then it's a second player win because the second player can mimic the first player moves. Now, what happens if there are multiple heaps? So let's say we have 3 heaps, then we cannot really mimic. Then there comes mathematics. So we convert these heap sizes into binary numbers, and then we add those binary numbers according to XOR sum. If the sum is zero, then it's a second player win. If the sum is non-zero, it's a first player win. We have so many games over here which are all mind games, and we use maths, and we have quite a few research papers in this area. Like one is Robin Hood rule set, which is purely a variation of NIM game, where we also have budgets allotted to us. And then we have toppling dominoes, where we have a few dominoes and we just topple them, different color dominoes. And queen cover problem, that is like we have a 4x4 board, let's say, and we place queens one by one, and we have to make sure that the full board is covered, that is full board is attacked by queens, and whoever takes the last turn will win the game. So we have games like this with us. Thank you so much.